Hello friends, I bring to you Liahona Foundation, a non-profit organization dedicated solely in helping students who are currently studying with BYU Pathway Worldwide. Liahona Foundation is not affiliated with the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, but share common belief and values in education. At Liahona Foundation, we are dedicated solely in bridging the digital divide. We provide students with essential laptop and tuition assistance. We empower young minds to pursue their dreams and build a brighter future. Our mission is rooted in the belief that every student deserves an equal access to quality education, regardless of their financial circumstances. Over the months, Liahona Foundation has made a lasting impact in the lives of over 45 students who are currently studying with BYU Pathway Worldwide, BYU Idaho, and Enzai College. Our impact has helped reshape the students in order for them to pursue their education and build a brighter future for themselves. Here are some of the students who have benefited from your donations to Liahona Foundation.
Hi, my name is Chidebere Emmanuel Osu, and I'm from Nigeria. And I want to say a very big thank you to Liahona Foundation for helping me to obtain this wonderful laptop that has helped me to be more efficient in my academics. And I wish that this opportunity will be given to my beloved brothers and sisters out there in this Africa so that they can benefit what I'm benefiting now and have smiles on their face in their academics. Thank you.
My name is Anne Ono. I'm from Nigeria. I want to say a very big thank you to Liahona Foundation for providing me this laptop to be able to complete and continue my academic pursuits. It has really been essential to me in completing my assignments and also excel in my coursework. I want to say a very big thank you to all the donors.
Hello, my name is Paul Solomon from Abuja, Nigeria. I'm here to express thanks to the Liahona Foundation and the donors for making it possible for me to obtain this laptop. With the aid of this laptop, I'm able to improve in my academic as a student of the BYU Pathway Connect Online. With the help of this laptop, I'm able to improve in my skills and also my career as a graphics designer. Thank you, and may God bless you.
Hi, my name is Matthew Kwenya. I'm presiding in the city of Abuja. I'm a BYU Pathway student. For quite some time, I've been studying without a laptop, and studies have been quite difficult. But ever since I got this great assistance from Liahona, I've been able to complete my studies on time. Just want to appreciate Liahona and its partners for this great assistance. Thank you so much.
We envision every student in Nigeria having access to quality education through the BYU Pathway Worldwide. You can support our mission today by visiting our website at www.liahonafoundation.org. Thank you.